Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use Visual Studio Code to run your Java program. So for that, at first you will need to have Java Development Kit installed. So if you don't have that installed, then you can go to Oracle JDK website and click on that, and over here you will have different options available, and depending on what device you're going to run Java, you can select it. But for now I will just select Windows, and I will download that one there and save it. It will take some time to download it. Now once the download is complete, I will then install it. I'll click on next, and let it install. And once the installation is done, we will then need to save set up our environment variable as well. So for that, let's search environment variable and click on environment variables, and over there scroll down and find path. Click on that, and now let's go to the folder where we just installed our JDK in local disk C, program files, and Java. Click on that there, and copy the whole path, and come back to environment variables, click on new, and paste that path. Click OK, and close that as well. Now what we have to do is go open Visual Studio Code, and in the extensions we have to type in Java extension pack, and it will install other 7 packages as well. Wait for that to install first. And once the installation is complete, you can close that and create a new Java project. Simply click on that there, go to wherever you want to save that project to create a new folder and save it as Java. Now we will open that same folder that we just created. Go back to the same location, find Java, click and open it. Now once that is open, we will create one index.java file, and I will just paste my hello world code over there, and I will run it. To run, click on that sign there on top right and allow the JDK that we just installed earlier, and you can see our Java code is now running, and it says hello world, which is similar to what we have printed out up there. So that's it guys, that's how you install JDK, set up your environment variable, install Java extension in your Visual Studio Code, and then run your Java program. So I hope you guys are also able to run Java using Visual Studio Code. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.